Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And what we have is, I believe, 1975 Z1 body set. These are original body parts, and it'll work on a 73 to 75. But it's got the later model badges on it from like in the 80s or something. I'm not sure. I believe this paint job was done. I just bought this inventory, and I believe this paint job was just done and never run. The inside of the tank is just beautiful. It's totally gorgeous. There's no dents, maybe minimal scratches because of handling. It looks like the paint job was done March 1st of 1982. The side panels, they look good. They got nuts on the end of the emblems instead of the clips, and I don't see any damage at all, and obviously someone has painted the badges gold, but still pretty cool. Someone put a lot of time in this. So the same here. This is nice stuff. This is nice genuine stuff made in Japan. No broken tabs, no work. Now the rear tail section here is nice. I mean, I didn't wash the stuff. It's been in storage. It's been puttied in right here, little putty here. You won't see that from the top, but that's just how I got it, and it actually looks like it's in pretty good shape.